Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to connect PayPal to buy me a coffee. So if you want to receive supporter payments directly through PayPal, this quick guide will walk you through the full setup process step by step. First, open Buy Me a Coffee and sign in to your account. Once your dashboard loads, look at the left side menu and open the Payout or Payment Settings section. Yeah, this is where you manage how you receive donations from supporters. Next, inside the payout settings, look for available payment providers. Depending on your region and account type, you may see PayPal listed as a supported option. So, click the PayPal Connect button to continue. Now a PayPal login window should appear. Enter your PayPal email and password, then complete any security verification steps if asked. Make sure you're using the correct PayPal account where you want donations to be received. After signing in, PayPal may ask you to approve connection permissions for Buy Me a Coffee. Just review the details and confirm the connection. Once approved, your PayPal account should link automatically. Finally, open your public creator page and test the donation button to make sure everything works correctly. I mean, it's always a good idea to confirm payments are properly connected before sharing your page with supporters, and that's basically it. You now know how to connect PayPal to Buy Me a Coffee in 2026. Hopefully, this guide helped you get your payment setup working smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.